how to change your name on Monopoly Go. If you would like to change your name in Monopoly Go, all you have to do is first of all launch the Monopoly Go game right here, and once you've done that, tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines option from the top right, over here you'll find all these options where what you have to do is simply tap on your avatar from the top right hand side. When you've done that, you can see your avatar there and you can see your name and you can see an edit button right next to it. So this is the pencil icon that indicates that you want to go ahead and then change your name. So once you've done that, just tap on the change name feature right here. And once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter a new name that you wish to change to. Then tap the submit button right there, and after that your name on Monopoly Go will be successfully changed. This way you'll be able to change the name on Monopoly Go. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.